guys, today I am going to show you how I made this Dreidel cake. So for this project, we will need a wooden plate or a board. We need a threaded rod or a tall long screw with a nut. We need a screwdriver with a drill bit and cake and buttercream. All right, so I already have it done here, but basically what you do, you drill your hole, and then I am going to use this as a plate because I have a little surprise. So I'm going to put some little legs, these little stickers that are going to prevent the metal from touching the surface. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to thread my screw through the plate, and then I'm going to start building my cake. We also need a good amount of Rice Krispie treats, a washer, homemade or store-bought, and a little piece of cardboard, oh, very important, and the silicone tape that's gonna prevent our cake from touching the metal. I am going to cut the sides and I'm going to put it in the, why is this so hard to explain? First, I am going to start carving the bottom part of my dreidel. I'm going to then measure it, measure that my nut is right at the same height that my bottom of the dreidel will have. Then I'm going to cover the rod in silicone tape so that it is cake friendly. And then after that, I'm going to thread the washer and put the board on it. So let's do this. Okay, while my cake is in the fridge chilling, I am going to work on the bottom part of the dreidel. And in order to make sure that the Rice Krispie treats doesn't come crumbling down when it's right side up, I will cover the whole bottom in gum paste. If you are making a cake that's bigger than 4 inches or so, you could also just do this bottom part with styrofoam, and that way you don't have to worry about it crumbling down. So let's do it. Now I am going to perfect my angles with my triangle rulers. I want to make sure that all my angles are right and that all my sides are equal. So let's do this. And now it's time to put my cake on my board. I am now going to start covering the cake in fondant. So measuring and gluing. What am I going to glue, you ask? I'm glad you ask. I'm gonna put some piping gel on the bottom part so that the flap doesn't fall out. We'll see what happens. Cake is nice and cool, and now it is time to decorate the dreidel. Okay guys, now the final part.
I got some gum.
Hi, you wanna help me? Okay guys, this is it, our Hanukkah dreidel cake. It is ready for us to play. Woo! And it is ready for us to eat. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys give it a try. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up if you like my video, and stay tuned for another episode next week. I'll see you guys again next week. Happy Hanukkah. Bye-bye.